Hi YouTube, I'm going to be showing a video of how I got this wig, how I made this quick weave wig. Stay tuned. Some of it got cut off, so anyways, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Good morning YouTube. So today I'm going to be making a wig. Good morning YouTube. This is going to be another video, but this one is going to be different. This one is going to be me making a wig on a stocking cap. Let me find the package. This is the stocking cap I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Milky Way here, the shortcut series. I don't know what the color is. It's like a purple color, a 1B and a 30. And this is what I've done so far. And I'll come back when I'm like halfway. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece. I'm going to measure it. Let's see how big I want it to be. And the cut where I measured it at. And this is the piece I measured out. I'm going to take my bonding glue. And I'm going to glue the piece to the mannequin head. Glue it on, put the glue on the track where it is sewn at. Now I'm going to place the piece where I measured out. And I'm going to hold it. I'm using the warmth from my hands to make it stick, plus the glue, instead of using the dryer. So far, this is how it's looking. And I'll be back. Okay, so far this is how far I've gotten. I'm on the crown part. It's turning out to be a nice wig. So now all I have to do is, I'm gonna probably start going in a circle until I finish off at the crown, and then I'll come back and show you the finished results.